In our previous tutorial, we have created some primitive objects, and in this tutorial, we will be modifying them. So let's get started. In the command panel, the second pan is modify, which I have selected. Go there. Then come to this perspective view and select any of the object. Let's say the sphere. Once you select that, you'll find that all the parameters are given over here. First of all, we'll learn how to move an object. After placing that, you'll see there are different ways to move that. Right click on the object and select move. After selecting that, one way is that you can freely move that object. Second way is you select a particular direction in which you want to move it. Like once I select X, I can move it only X direction. Note that when I move it in X direction, the top and front view is changing accordingly. You can do it in other direction as well, like in Y direction. We can do that. This time, our top and left view is changing according to the object. Let's say we want it to be here. Now the Z direction. Note that this time our front and left view is changing according to the location of object. We can move it in a particular plane as well, like this ZX. So in this way, we'll be able to move it in this plane wherever we want. So we will let it be just over there. So this was how we can move any object. Now let's say we have selected this and we want to rotate it. So select rotate and you'll see all the direction in which you can possibly rotate this object, and you can click and drag to rotate the object. As this is a sphere, the effect will not be there. So for this instance, we'll select this box and try to rotate it. As I said, you can first select the direction in which you want to rotate the object and then you rotate it. Or click in the middle and rotate it anyhow you want. You just have to click and drag into the direction you want to rotate the object. So this is how easy to modify and rotate it. Now, one another thing is when you select the object, you'll see all these parameters over here. If you're not comfortable by doing it with your mouse, you can do it with your keyboard as well. Go here and change its height from 24 to 55. Hit enter and you will see the height of this object has been changed. So this was the tutorial upon how you can modify the objects once they are created. Thank you.